Right, so I'm cooking a whole leg of lamb right now. Okay, that's the entire leg of lamb. That's some onion paste. That's ginger and garlic with some chili, and that's some ghee. Okay, which I'm gonna add here. Okay, to this pot. It's called a lagan. Okay, we cook normal Indian food in this. Don't worry too much if you have a ceramic one like this, it'll still work, right? So I'll just pass it on to Elizabeth and she'll take you through in there. So pure ghee there. And then here, okay, I have bay leaf. Okay, this is black cardamom, star anise, and some cloves. Right, so you can see that the ghee has melted. So I'm just gonna add the whole spices there. Okay, I know most of you must be thinking it's not splattering. Okay, it's on a low heat. What I want is I want the flavor to come out. I don't want it to burn. Alright, so I'm just gonna make it like that. And then you see here, you see it's starting to cook, right? That's what you want. You don't want to burn it. You see this? It's bubbling there. That's what you want. You don't want it to burn. And then now I'm just adding the ginger garlic paste and the chili here first. Right, so you can see that this one is cooking off right now. Okay, and then in the meantime, what we'll do is we'll address this. Okay, make sure you have a sharpish knife. So you can easily do this at home. Okay, you don't need to pay extra at the supermarket to pay for already cut meat. See? Right, so this is the bottom bone, okay, which is fully intact. Okay, this is the joint that was there on top, right? And then here, if you see, we had another bone, so it was like this. Okay, so this is one part, and this is here, and that is the marrow, the bone marrow. That's the bone marrow. Okay, so I'm just chucking these bones here so that they have, they give flavor to the curry. Okay, and then you guys must be wondering about this liquid there. Okay, it's becoming kind of dry, so I'm going to add that here now. This recipe takes a lot of time, okay, so it's not a 30-minute meal or something. It's going to take a lot of time, so you need to give time. You need to keep stirring this. So as you can see that we had the onion, the ginger, the garlic and the chili here, okay, so it's nicely bunod, as we say, okay, so it's nicely sauteed. Okay, and now we can add the rest of our meat here. Stir it around, and then whilst that is sauteing, we're gonna add some more spices. That's turmeric. Then there's chili. Of course, there's chili, right? There's lots of chili. And then there's some coriander powder. And then so that's how it's looking right now. I have not added anything. Whatever you guys saw that I added last, that's what it is. Okay, so it's nicely cooking. Okay, and that's how it looks like. Slow cooking at its best. So this is the final product. That's how it's supposed to look. Alright guys, and please make sure during quarantine you stay hydrated, right? Cheers.